Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm here to guide you through the process of downloading and installing WhatsApp on your Windows 10 or 11 laptop or PC. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. Firstly, make sure to open the Microsoft Store. If you can't locate the Microsoft Store icon on your desktop, simply use the search box, type Store, and select Microsoft Store from the results. Once the Microsoft Store is open, scroll down until you find WhatsApp. In case you can't find it, you can always use the search box again and type in WhatsApp. Click on the WhatsApp listing. Now, all you have to do is click on Get. The Microsoft Store will then download and install WhatsApp on your Windows computer. Just be patient during this process. After the installation is complete, click on Open. If you can't find the WhatsApp icon on your desktop or in the taskbar, go to the Start menu, locate WhatsApp, right-click on it, go to More, and click on Pin to Taskbar. This ensures easy access. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and set up WhatsApp on your Windows computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.